So, what AI should you use? First up, we have ChatGPT. Everyone knows it, everyone uses it. It's there, it's great. It does the basic things that you need. It has a lot of capabilities, creates cute images for you, and answers silly questions like why is baked cheesecake so bloody good? Then we have Claude up next. This is more for programming. Although ChatGPT does have the capability, I feel Claude just has better output and just knows what it's doing. Would highly recommend it if you're trying to get into programming, and it explains stuff as well as you're going through it. Next up, we have Perplexity, my favorite one by far. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to find out what laptop should I buy when working from home. I just say focus on this domain, hit search, and then it'll search the Microsoft.com domain and give me some suggestions on which laptops are great. Super helpful. What I love about it, it gives you the reference links and where it found the information. Now obviously this is all coming from Microsoft, so it's just going to go to the Microsoft links, but if we click on this one for example, then it'll take us to that one that I recommended. Last up for fun, some music generation. Refusion, you just hit random, whatever you like, then go generate. That'll go through and then generate some music for you. Let's listen to Back to Life, shall we?